United States Supreme Court. Lawrence against Texas. First important step.
Down in front.
Guaranteeing all Americans, regardless of sexual orientation.
Yeah.
Down in front. Sit down.
The Supreme Court in two important decisions brings us that much closer to true equality.
Yeah.
Decision striking is unconstitutional.
Hey, down in front, please.
So-called Roma and Texas.
Please.
The United States Supreme Court held that there was no purpose for depriving gay and lesbian couples the right to marry the person they love. There was no legitimate justification for that. Justice Scalia noted that holding, that principle, guarantees the right of every individual in every state to marriage equality. The California case, the Supreme Court held that the proponents of the opposition did not have standing. What that means is that in that case, the Supreme Court could not reach the merits. Everything that the Supreme Court said in defense of marriages, where they did reach the merits, demonstrates that when that case finally does come to the United States Supreme Court on merits, marriage equality will be the law throughout this land.
Yeah.
Our plaintiffs now can go back to California,
Get married.
Every other citizen of California marry the person they love.
Yeah!
Step is to translate a promise that was in Lawrence and it was reaffirmed today in the Doma case, that every citizen in every state has the right to marry the person that they love. The Supreme Court's decision, understand, is important for another reason. When we started out in this case, we said we were going to prove three things. We were going to prove that marriage is a fundamental right. The other side accepted that. We said, second, we were going to prove that depriving gay and lesbian citizens of the right to marry the person they love seriously harmed them and seriously harmed the children they were raising. And even the opponents agreed with that. And third, we said we were going to prove that allowing everyone to marry the person that they love, regardless of sexual orientation, did not, could not harm anyone. And not only did its opponents on cross-examination have to accept that, but today the United States Supreme Court said as much, because they said the proponents have no concrete reason. They cannot point to anything that harms them, because these two loving couples like throughout California, are now going to be. And so this is a wonderful day for our plaintiffs. It's a wonderful day for everyone around this country, and in California in particular, who wants to be able to marry the person they love. But it's a wonderful day for America, because we have now taken this country another important step towards guaranteeing the promise that is in our Constitution, in our Declaration of Independence, that all people are created equal, that all people have the inalienable right to life, liberty, and justice. This is a great day. We thank the Supreme Court. We thank all of you, and perhaps most importantly, we thank all of the people who devoted so much to this battle for so many decades. People who did it at a time when it was not as easy for Ted Olson and myself to do it. The only thing I regret today is my friend and colleague Ted Olson can't be here. He has been the leader in this battle for the last 4 years. He is unfortunately today in another court, in another part of the country, arguing another case. But his spirit is here, and he will be with me tonight. We will celebrate, because because this is a victory, not just for us, not just for the plaintiffs, not even just for the people who have worked for this for many decades, but for all Americans.
Yeah.